Dollar Tree has really inspired me this year to decorate for St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day is a holiday that I never thought to decorate for until I seen this one piece of decor at Dollar Tree, and it was a complete game changer. I picked this banner up last week. I think it's like Hobby Lobby quality. And on this week's Dollar Tree trip, I found yet again another decor piece. They were like, sure, you want to decorate for St. Patrick's Day? Here you go. Here's another adorable piece you're gonna love. Also a perfect little facelift while the house is still under construction. We're gonna go through the rest of the stuff that I picked up this week, and then we are going to decorate for St. Patrick's Day. This is from their Easter section. They come out with these every year, like almost for every single holiday. But this one I think is super cute. I'm not holding on to this for Easter. This is actually something I'm going to use now. I'm going to fill it up with some chocolates and use it as an I love you gift. Let's get into some puppy decor that I found at the Dollar Tree. Also, I found new puppy snack organization containers. So first off, here's the decor. It's so cute for only $1. I got really excited over the size of this container. Like, it covers my whole face for only $1. They have it in red too, but the red one actually has like a saying in the front of it. Really nice. I actually like the red one better, but the black one just goes better with all the other stuff that I have as far as like puppy organization. This is the one that they normally carry, okay? And this is the new. I can fit the small one in there. That's how big this thing is for only $1. The rim on the cover has a cute little design too. Size, cuteness, and price, scoop these up. Now onto the garden section, which is my last 4 items that I got at the Dollar Tree. I picked these plant clips up. I think this is a great deal for only $1. I'm not sure whether or not I'm going to use them indoor or outdoor, but this is one of those things that even if you don't have a specific plan for it, it's definitely something to just keep, you know, and if you ever need it, you have it, because let's face it, who knows if they're going to come back out with this next year. It's going to be more than $1 in any other store. Next 3 and last items that I picked up are garden gloves. I actually just picked up a pair of garden gloves from them not too long ago, but I'm down to like nothing, so I always like to have a backup pair, so if I need to wash one, I got a clean one that I can use. But I went a little ham because they had so many cute designs, and really there were probably like another 2 pairs that I really wanted to bring, but I had to restrain myself. So these are the 3 pairs that I picked. The first ones are these pretty little springy, Eastery looking flowers that I would wear in the springtime. And then these, which I believe look like strawberries. How cute, you know, red for them Americana colors, strawberries, because it screams summer. So this is a pair that I would use for the summer. And then, yes, I am that person. Exhibit A, Exhibit B, I could go on. And then the last pair, so cute. These are a pair that I would sport doing my autumn, early fall yard work outside. So those were the goodies that I picked up this week at the Dollar Tree. Now let's get to the real fun part. Let's go decorate. So I've opened up the banner. I'm actually going to remove the shamrocks. I don't plan on reusing the shamrocks or keeping them at all. So instead of just unstringing everything, I'm just gonna cut them at the holes. This area is a little tricky to angle with the camera. Here, there's a door to the outside. Right in front of me is a staircase, and then we have this wall here. Even this area isn't finished, but I still put up my decor because I just need to feel like I'm home. I did do a winter decor theme here, and I loved the look of it, but I am so ready to see it go. We are finished. So right here is my everyday decor. And what I'm gonna do with this is, I believe at the Dollar Tree, they sell like the little glitter shamrocks. I think I saw it there. So I'm gonna pick those up on my next visit, and I'm just gonna take this and push it over and just kind of cluster them at the bottom, making it look like they're falling over the truck. I think that's gonna be a cute little finishing touch. If you want to see that update, leave me a comment and I certainly will go ahead and do that. And then here, oh my goodness, I love the way this came out. The banner has Lucky on both ends, and then the 3 middle ones say Happy St. Patrick's Day. I just love this. I really, really love this. This is also a Dollar Tree item that is my everyday decor on this wall. I hope this was fun for you to watch. If it was, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Did you like this haul and decorate combo? If you did, do so by telling me with a comment. More decorating the house is coming, more seasonal decorating the house is coming. So subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, stay subscribed. It goes without saying, but I'm gonna say it anyway. It was so much fun to hang out with you. Bye.